Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 1. So since today we're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 1, we're kind of late because Five Nights at Freddy's series is basically over. But the new series, Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location, is coming out in a few months. So since I'm late, I just wanted to do Five Nights at Freddy's 1. I thought I would do Five Nights at Freddy's 2, but because I'm actually kind of good at that game, but I decided just to do number 1 first. So, guys, if you want me to show you number 1, number 2, if you want me to do all the series, just tell me to do, just click that like button, tell me if you want to do it. So, without any more questions, let's go. Here's Fazbear's Pizza. Family pizza really looking for security guard to the night shift.
I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun.
Okay, guys, now I can talk. So what I just wanted to say was, since we are very late, I just wanted to say that the first time I did play Five Nights at Freddy's 1, recording it at like 3 a.m. Foxy came out of nowhere and just killed me while I was looking the other way. So I didn't get to see all of Foxy, but Foxy jump scared me. So I just want to know why Scott did that, or maybe it's just a hint that Foxy does really care about us and he wants us to be. He's just checking on us. Because that would make sense, because he's just checking on us to make sure we're okay, because maybe he thinks we're not checking the cameras, but instead we're trying to actually kill him, stuff him into a suit. So yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh no, Bunny's. Hey, Bunny right there. Chief right there. Bunny's right there. Okay. So if we can make it, we're only gonna do probably night 1. I know that you guys aren't gonna like me because I did night 1 only, but because I have to keep my Oh gosh. See there? Foxy's out already? But this is night 1. Yo, that's so weird. Fox. How is Foxy out already? He's supposed to be out at night 2. Chica's in the kitchen already? Yes, okay, we made it. So guys, if you want me to play night 2, tell me and I will do it. So, bye.